Alright guys, so we're taking a look here at our pattern 1, okay? We did this in class, but if you were gone or if you weren't sure what you were doing, we can take a look at it here. So we're going to find each pattern. Going to do the next, not 2 steps, next one we changed that in class, okay? As well as some classes may have actually done the equation, so we're going to do all of that, okay? So, first pattern needs look like matchsticks. If you have your worksheet, it probably doesn't look quite the same. So we first want to find the pattern. So we can see here there's 3 matchsticks, then 5. Hopefully starting to see a pattern here. 3, 6, 7. You can probably guess at what the next one's going to be, and you would be right. It's 9. Okay, so our pattern of growth here is we are adding 2 each time. Okay, notice we start with 3 as well. Okay, so if we're adding 2, the next one would be 11, right? And if we were making an equation, we'd start with 3, and we'd add 2 multiple times, and we can use n or x or whatever we want, and that would give us the total amount, right? Something like that. Okay, so that's all we've got going on here, guys. Okay. So you should try these on your own if you haven't already, okay? So the next one, we just keep on going. So we've got 6 here, right? Then 10. Then 14. And it's kind of easy to see, right, if we're really thinking about this. We can just see these extra ones that have been added on, as opposed to the original one right here, so that you can see that they're adding on those 4, which is kind of easy to see. So our growth again would be plus 4. Okay, we started at 6, so an equation would be 6 plus 4, and we'll say x this time equals, how about y? So then we would have 18 for our next one. Okay, simple as that, isn't it? Alright, now we're going to take a look at 3, so we're just doing the seats here. So 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 6 here, then 8, then 10. So again, we've got some growth of adding 2. Again, we started with 6. Okay, so adding 2 more would take us, we'd have 12 chairs in our next iteration. And for an equation, we'd go 6 plus 2n, or let's say c for chairs, would equal total chairs, right? Okay, pretty simple, right? Okay, now going up here, again, we're counting chairs. Okay, so we've got 4, 8, 10, 12, starting with 12, right? So that's our start. Then 4, 8, 12, 16, 4, 8, 12, 16, and 20. So our growth is we're adding 4 each time. So I'd go 12 plus 4, C for chairs equals total chairs, and we'd go 24 for our next amount. Now we're back to match sticks. So 3, 4, 5, 6. $11, and $16. So it looks like we're adding 5 each time, right? We started with 6, so I'd go 6 plus 5x equals y. Adding 5 more, we'd have 21 in our next group. All right?